Okay, here's another daily question, revision question for standard level, and I've got a triangle ABC. I've got some measurements on the triangle here, and I've got the area of the triangle, and I've got to find the angle here at C, which is obtuse, and then the length of AB. So if you want to pause it, have a go, by all means, and I'm going to do the solution now. So first of all, the angle at C, I've got these two and I've got the area, so I'm going to use the area formula, which is half AB sine C. So AC is 5.29 and BC is 12. So I'm just going to multiply these two together and I'm going to times it by sine C, and I will get the area, which is 25. So on my calculator, I want to times 25 by 2 to get rid of the half, and I want to divide it by 12 times 5.29. So that will give me sine C. Now, it says to the nearest degree. I need to check my calculator in degrees. It certainly is. So 0.788. Now I'm going to do shift sine and take my answer from the previous question, and I get 52 degrees. But that's not obtuse. So all I've got to do now is remember that there are two answers to this. One is the acute one, and the other one I can get by doing 180 minus 52, which is 128. So the C that I want is actually 128. Okay, for part B, the length of AB. So now this is very simple. This is the cosine rule. It's AB squared is equal to these two numbers here squared minus 2 times 5.29 times 12 times cosine 128. So the reason I put a minus here and a bracket is because when I do this on my calculator, 5.29 squared plus 12 squared minus, I know that this bracket is actually going to come out as a negative because cosine 128 is actually a negative. So I've done that whole calculation there together and I get AB squared is 250. Should have a bracket around here really. And if it's all the calculator space, it's all trigonometry, and I think it's fairly straightforward. 15.8 is the answer. So basic trigonometry skills required for this. Notice, although I rounded here, I didn't round any of my numbers in my calculator, so I haven't made any rounding errors.